Alright guys, we are at the Hilton Hotel in downtown Atlanta, where the very first elevator video was ever produced on the genre of elevator photography since 1993. So let's take a ride on this elevator. Here we go. And I have to talk over the music, and finally we got a glass elevator viewing out to the atrium. Go down to lower lobby. Let's see how high we can go. All right, here we go. That's the Marriott Marquis you can see over there.
Going up.
Oh, we're still going up. Oh, never mind, I'm going down. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. $1993. I'm so glad I'm back at this place again. Alright, we're gonna end it at the lobby level. Actually, no, we'll end it at 2, because that's where I came from. I came from the second floor. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and switch, because I want to get that elevator car over there. We're gonna switch at Trader Joe's. I almost literally forgot that I didn't include the outdoor scenic elevators. These are the internal scenic elevators. Oh, we're gonna try to get those elevator cars over there. Those are the elevator cars that I want. I literally almost forgot about it. Mainly because I was in a rush, but anyways. All right, here it is. Nikolai's roof. Here we go. Now, for those who ask me, no, I'm not going to film at the Hyatt Hotel because, for one, we only have this much time, and second of all, the elevators there are fully key carded. But man, are these fast. All right, here we're at Nikolai's roof. And we will end the video on the second floor because that's where I have to get to the Skybridge to the Marriott Marquis. This is a nice elevator. This is where the very first elevator video was ever produced, with the genre of elevator photography started by Andrew Reams. And if I remember correctly, these used to have AE fixtures until it was modernized, if you saw it in the 1993 video. And my ears are popping fast. All right, here we are at 2. This is where we're gonna end the video. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that'll be all.